Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here. And this time we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're not going to be doing a car, we're going to be doing an accessory. So if we look in the Encyclopedia of Matchbox Toys, Matchbox did at one time produce service stations and garages. Now, I would love to be able to get hold of one of these and restore it, but they were going for silly money on eBay. But what also came with these are accessory packs. And in this picture just below, you can see that there is a flagpole with a sign for BP. And that came as part of an accessory pack with this. The petrol pumps. So I got this in a bit of a job lot, and what we're missing are the two lamps, and believe it or not, these are a pair of legs. So we're missing the top of the little chappy that used to hand out the fuel. So I went online and got them. So we've got the decals, we've got the lamp posts, if that's what they are, and we've got the top off, the little guy to complete this piece at the end. So that's what we're going to be doing this week. If anybody knows where I can get one of these BP garages from at a decent price, or even the flagpole that I'm missing, let me know. Leave a comment down below, and it'll be added to the MLM diorama that we've got going on. So let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Matchbox BP petrol pumps. These were part of a larger accessory pack, pack number 1, that were available for the Matchbox Sales and Services Garage. I haven't got the flagpole. I'll keep my ear to the ground for that, and I've got the decal, so if anybody knows where I can get one or has got one going spare, let me know. It is my aim to either purchase one of the garages or make a replica of sorts in the future. But this is a nice little starting point, and it's nice to give these petrol pumps a new lease of life. So there you go, folks, the Matchbox BP petrol pumps accessory pack number 1. And yeah, nice little project. I enjoyed doing these. They come out quite nice. So this is PJ signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.